Sinoboom Electric Drive Scissor Lift Series. High efficiency, zero emissions. Lasting value. The entire series is electrified and represents a comprehensive range. More than 10 models with working heights of 6 to 16 meters, adapting to the needs of various scenarios. Sinoboom Electric Drive Scissor Lift Series. High efficiency, a zero emissions, a lasting value. Green operation achieves zero emissions, meet the needs of venues with high environmental requirements, and break the limits of rental scenarios. Low maintenance cost, full life cycle cost control. Fast transportation. The design of two-way forklift slots enables fast and convenient transportation and effectively improves transfer efficiency. High versatility and reduced costs. The parts are highly universal, relieving the pressure on spare parts inventory, reducing ownership costs and making equipment management easier. Reliable performance to ensure safety of aerial work. New wide scissor stack design, stable and efficient. The scissor stack frame is wider and thicker, providing better stability and durability. Anti-collision bar and recessed sliding rail, double protection. The anti-collision bar effectively prevents equipment from colliding. During operation, protecting the safety of equipment. The recessed sliding rail design prevents scratches, ensuring the integrity of the equipment surface and extending the equipment's service life. Sinoboom Electric Scissor Lift Series makes the environment and profits sustainable.